And welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how to change the battery on your Samsung TV smart remote. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you have a new remote here and you want to go ahead and change the battery. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. So this right here is the TV for your Samsung smart TV, and in order to change the battery, all you've got to do is hold the back and slide it open, and then the case should pop open. And what this takes is that these are two AA batteries, okay? So you just have to change the batteries, pop them out, and make sure they're in the correct way. So the positive side there, the negative side there. And afterwards, the case will actually go ahead and slide right back in and snap in place. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and change the battery on your Samsung Smart TV remote. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.